been a while. Yep. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Vera and today I'm doing my December Birchbox finally. So if you want to see what I've got this month, please keep watching. Come on, you can do this. You can do this. This is how the box looks like. So this is how the box looks like this month. It's so pretty and fancy. Well, fancy now, but it's pretty. Okay, so let's take a look inside. Woo! Let's see what this big guy is. This is a leave-in treatment by Novex Salon, and it has Keratin do Brazil. And actually this is a full size, and the price for this is €21.50. Okay, so this has lots of benefits for my hair. Is also a heat protector, professional exclusive. So obviously I'm a pro. Smells good. I got a lot of it on my hand. Oh my god, this smells so good. Next is this cute little bottle. This is a Micellar lotion by Thermaliv, and it says that removes impurities and makeup. Okay, we shall see if you remove my makeup. And the full size is €15.90. Let me see how this smells. Nope, doesn't smell. Okay, so let's see what is this brush. This is a tiny brush, so tiny. This is a retractable brush. This tiny little brush is from Miss Cup and is a blush brush. And it says that it's retractable. Let's see. Oh, look at that. And bam, in your purse. But it's so tiny, I probably won't use it. The price for this is €3.90. Pretty affordable. Found it. Let's see what's next. I see something red. Let's see what is it. What is it? Oh, this is chocolate. Chocolate. This is from Lindor. Okay, thank you Birchbox. You're so kind, but this is not a product. And this is an extra gift from Birchbox. So there are only 2 more products in the box, and I bet you that one of them is a hand cream. I can swear, I can smell it. It's a hand cream. This guy is a hand cream. Yes, it says body treatment, hand cream. Thank you Birchbox. Let me tell you something. In every single box that Birchbox sends to me, I have to get a hand cream. Is there a problem with my hands? So yeah, I was right. This is by the brand Unani. And the full size is €12. Okay, so the last product is this nude pencil. Let's see, what is this? This is from LaQa&Co, and it says Eyelighter. Eyelighter. I never heard about Eyelighter. Let me see what they say here. So basically this is a highlight. It says that it has that strobing effect. So you can use it on your eyes, on your nose, on your cupid's bow. Basically, this is a creamy highlight. So the price for the full size is 25 euros. Okay guys, so this is what I've got in my December Birchbox. I'm very excited to try this leave-in treatment with Keratina do Brasil. I hope this works for me. And I also want to see if this actually removes my makeup. This Micellar Lotion by Thermaliv. The eyeliner is like meh. Thank you for the chocolate Birchbox, but please stop sending me hand creams. Stop it, okay? Stop it. This brush, this blush brush is like, what, for kids? No thank you, I probably won't use it. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing video. Please keep in mind that this is Birchbox Spain. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and I will see you in my next video. What is wrong with you, honey? Oh my god! Julie! How am I supposed to put the lid back? Eh? Hey! Oh! Oh! Of course! Mish, you are very sensitively little one.